Here we are at the parish church of St Nicholas, built by William de Braose in 1073. And we've joined Richard Vobes and some guests at Bramber Castle, down in West Sussex. And I hope you can enjoy a little tour of this ancient site. So we're just going to go up. And that's the first thing we see is one of the outer walls. Actually, there's some wall here as well. So what I can do here though is go up to Julia and say, hey look, it's the lovely Julia.
Hello, lovely Mark.
How are you, lovely Julia?
Oh, the better for seeing your lovely face.
Yeah.
Lovely Mark.
We finally meet. It's been a really good day so far.
Person.
Yeah, absolutely. I love this. I haven't been here for about 9 years.
I was here a couple of years ago, I think.
A couple of years ago, yeah. Martin's doing his thing.
Doing his thing.
Should we go and see Martin doing his thing?
It's his thing.
Okay.
We've had the exciting bit with all the rapes.
So we were here about 9 years ago actually, and there's a lovely views. And we're here with Mr Piddington. What do you think so far, Mr Piddington?
Pretty nice place.
Because you didn't come with us
Not
before,
much
did
here,
you?
is there? But
No.
yeah, it's really nice.
This is sticking out from, so the outside wall is kind of here.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Oh, I see, yeah.
So this is the start of the outside wall. There would have been the inner wall,
Yeah.
and then this is one of the towers that would have stuck out for shooting people trying to
Get up the
climb up the wall.
Got a lovely view there.
That was probably all.
Empty my nose in your general direction.
Don't fall down the hole.
Guys are just having a natter downstairs, down the bottom. I've lost the windshield on my mic, so apologies if any wind comes through. This is the top. So I'm up here with Claire. We just noticed, I think people have campfires down here, because actually it's open access, so anyone can come in any time of night. Oh look, they look like ants down there. So you're a local lass, aren't you? So, well, localish lass.
Well, I live in Saltdean, so I live in East Sussex.
East Sussex.
I am the king of the castle.
We're gonna get you if we can get up.
Stay away, you stupid English kniggards.
Oh, incriminating footage here, look at this. That's a day we're having, guys. We're having a day we're having.
Hey,
you! Julia, huggable, these are huggable trees. These are huggable trees. Oh!
You broke the tree! You hurt the tree! Oh, right there!
You idiot!
Are you alright?
Question for you.
I
Did
did
it hit
catch
your back?
What?
Did it hit your back?
everyone. That wasn't planned. That was a real outtake from Mr. Vobes. A real outtake.
Nobody saw that, did
No. Only everybody on YouTube.
they? Oh, they don't count. I've only got one eye.
These are the kind of friends I have, guys. I'm sorry. What can you do? What can you do?
You can smile.
Yes.
You can laugh.
Yes.
And you can run away
Yes.
screaming.
Bye. No, not at all. This is the kind of day we're having, guys. I came here for some serious history, but nah. Yeah. Oh,
Go back the other way.
Go back the other way.
yes. English heritage. Is any damage to your Bramber Castle? This man here.
Sit down.
Yeah, I pushed him off.
Yes.
He was being abusive. He's down the other side, nasty man. Oh look, Elijah's on here.
Let's go walking along the wall a little bit without falling off, which wouldn't be cool. Give you an idea of the surrounding landscape. Shame not much is left these days, but still not much left, but it's still impressive.
Are you talking to yourself, Mark English?
As always, I make sense that way then. So we're heading back to the pub. We are on the lookout for a little windjammer. Thank you for joining us. Until next time.